What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am winning, and so are you. And if you are holding Ethereum right now, you are for sure winning. It is on a pump. Let's take a look at why Ethereum is going to run up to 2000. All right, so we're going to start off right here in the charts, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out, Ethereum. So we talked about this yesterday in our price analysis, what to watch out for if Ether breaks out and where it could go. And that, if you watched that video and you got in because you saw the breakout, congratulations, because Ethereum is pumping. And there's no better feeling than sitting there and watching your crypto account continue to climb, So Bitcoin's doing well today. Ethereum's doing well today. A lot of the coins that me and my friends are holding are doing very well today. And this is the hold side. Now, obviously, if you got in on a trade even and you're using leverage, holy moly, who knows what your gains are. So congratulations to all my winners out there. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm super stoked for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. So this is the 1 hour chart. As you can see down here, this was yesterday, February 1st at 1700. So about 5 p.m. You can see that the 5 EMA split the 13 EMA, signaling an uptrend beginning. And it did not stop, and it still has not stopped. You can see it is riding this pump right now to the moon. We talked about yesterday that this could be the move to 1600. So keep an eye out on that. You can see this 1 hourly candle right now. It is an indecision candle, but there's still 51 minutes left in this candle. So really what it did is it came down and made this lower wick, and it could still charge up. So 1600 is where we saw it going. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just great information that you can see through analysis and also through the chart. So let's go ahead and jump into the reasons behind the big up move. All right, so here we have some really good news and some fundamental information to support the push. This is not a pump and dump situation. This is not Dogecoin. This is not XRP where it's just running up. Ethereum has legit support behind it for many reasons. So Ethereum derivatives data suggests traders expect prices above $2,000. Data shows that 99.5 of the neutral to bearish Ether put options will become worthless above 1,360, leaving bulls with a significant advantage for the foreseeable future. After marking a new 1477 high on January 24th, Ether's ETH price was shaken down to 1206 on January 27th, but according to derivatives markets, bulls remain confident that $2,000 is still within reach. The neutral to bearish put options open interest above 1360 is irrelevant, and only 2,540 ETH options equivalent to $3.4 million in open interest is above that price level. That being said, more than 99.5% of the put options open interest will become worthless if ETH trades at 1300 or above, 1360 or above. As shown above, data from both call and put options seem well balanced. As the open interest indicator favors bulls by a mere 34%, the data also shows that Ether's 79% year-to-date rally has really taken a toll on the bears. Currently, the neutral to bullish call options ranging from 1,000 to 1,340 amount to 59,730 ETH, and that amounts to $79.6 million in open interest, not counting those strikes below such range. Therefore, apart from dominating on a 23-to-1 ratio, the bulls have every incentive to keep pushing the price up. For example, if ETH rallies above 1440, another 56,000 call options come into play compared to a mere 7,600 put options. This equals another $70 million in open interest favoring neutral to bullish call option. The imbalance would then amount to 152 million, completely extinguishing bears' hopes. And if you guys are aware, Ether is at 1,525. So it did extinguish a lot of those options there. So let's take a look at this chart. Okay, so in this chart here, you can see call open interest, 755,100 ETH. And what that is these are the people who are betting that Ethereum is going to go up. And these are the price levels down here. As we know right now, we have a $1,500 price. And you can see all of these right here, these green open options. These people think that the price of Ethereum is going to hit 1,600, and that's the strike price that they're excited about. But people all the way over to 2,000 and 2,160. You can see down here though, these are the people that think that the price is going to go down. So you can see that it's pretty, but you can just see right here with the call options, there's so many more. That means people are actually interested in the price going up, which is really exciting for Ether. Not every option open interest is set to expire over the next couple of months. The expiry calendar for 2021 holds 50% of the open interest on February 26th and March 26th, although longer-term options tend to gain more relevance throughout the year. All right, and here you can see the dates. So this is 2021, February 5th, 2021, February 12th, 2021, February 19th, February 26th, and you can see what they're talking about. They are more and more are going to expire in March and then all the way into June and then the end of the year. So there's still plenty open for both longs and shorts. So puts and calls, open interest. But right here in this March 26th is where most of them are set to expire. Futures premium signals traders are bullish. The futures premium measures how expensive long-term futures contracts are compared to the futures spot in traditional markets. It can be thought of as a relative reflection of investor optimism, and fixed calendar futures tend to trade at a slight premium to regular spot exchanges. These fixed month futures contracts should trade within a 10 to 20% annualized premium basis in healthy markets. And any number above this range denotes extreme optimism. Meanwhile, the lack of premium is a signal that traders may be bearish. The chart above shows the premium was cut drastically on January 21st as Ether plunged by more than 20% to test the sub 1100 levels. More recently, on January 27th, the premium reached an 8.7% annualized rate, near neutral to bearish levels. This data is more than enough evidence to support the claim that options market is bullish. Even during the worst sell-offs over the last couple of months, derivatives markets have held a positive stance. The current 2.9% rate equals a healthy 20% annualized premium, indicating the bulls are not anticipating any problems. So let's take a look at that chart. All right, so here you can see the chart, premium versus Coinbase, what the actual price is, okay? And this was December, January 10th, January 17th, January 24th, and January 31st. Now, if you remember, the price of Ether dropped significantly on January 18th and 19th to a very, very low 1100, which they're talking about. And as you can see, the premium percent was 2%. So what that means, the difference between what it's selling on Coinbase versus what you can buy in the futures markets, there is typically a difference. Right now, it is at a healthy, basically 2.7% or a 20% annualized rate, as is mentioned. Top traders have room to add long positions. Exchange provided data highlights traders long to short net positioning. By analyzing every client's position on the spot, perpetual, and futures contracts, one can obtain a clearer view of whether professional traders are leaning bullish or bearish. With that said, there are occasional discrepancies in the methodologies between different exchanges, so viewers should monitor changes instead of absolute figures. The top traders indices at Binance and Huobi have been in net short ETH positions over the past week. OKX stands out as it tops traders' long to short position has been increasing over the past 5 days and currently favors longs by 56%. This shows that there is little evidence of excessive optimism by top traders, while leaving room for leverage in the case of an upcoming bull run. To sum it up, both ETH options and future markets show clear signs that traders are incredibly bullish on Ether for the next couple of months. The views and opinions expressed here are solely at the author's opinion and do not necessarily reflect the views of Coinbase or myself. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research in making a decision. Let's take a look at this chart as well. All right, and in this chart, you can see the long to short positions. This one is on Huobi, top trader. Long short positions right here, the green and the red. Okay, so green is obviously going to be the long positions, and then the short is going to be the red. As you can see, the actual graph here is in the long positions. Over on OKEx, top trader, this one it was in a short position for quite some time, and it is right here basically in the neutral position. Over here on Binance, it is a little bit in the short position, but it is not extreme as far as the shorts go. And we're just checking the live charts here. We're at 1521. So it's still looking really good. It is doing a little pullback, which is to be expected. I mean, obviously price never goes up in a straight line. Let's take a look at the 15-minute candles. So it has made a little peak here, and it's currently hitting off of the 5 EMA. So we'll see if it comes back and checks the 13 and then makes a run back up. So keep an eye. This may have been a psychological stopping point, another new all-time high here. We are looking for it to move over the next couple of days over 1,600, then to 2,000. So keep an eye on Ethereum. All right, guys, so that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much. Where do you think Ethereum's going? Do you see it going over 2,000? Comment down below where you think Ethereum is headed. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Talk to you later.